Oh, hey, Cooking 1-5 here. I'm here with my little brother, and it's been a while since we done a video. People have been asking us, when you gonna do another recipe video, and we've been working, real hard, so we ain't had a lot of time. But we both had the day off today. We thought we'd relax a little bit, so we relaxing. We played a little Star Trek earlier. I had a little Star Trek war, and I won. But now we just relaxing. It got me thinking, I got an idea. I said, I got an idea to my little brother, and he's like, well, what is it? I said, let's do a quick and easy recipe video. People always looking for something fast. People always looking for something quick and easy, and so it don't get any quick and easier than some Mexican rice. I got a good Mexican rice recipe. It's quick and easy for you. So what you want to do is, you want to start out with some rice. Now, since you're doing a Mexican dish, you may want to start with some Mexican rice. But I had some jasmine rice laying around because I use it all the time. So it's a lazy day, so I was cheating a little bit. Just use what I got. And then what you want to do, get you a taco packet, name brand. You want to stick with name brand, especially a Mexican name brand, something like that. So it's authentic and everything. And you want to take 1 cup of rice, and follow instructions on the back for how much water and everything. But 1 cup of rice, half a packet of taco seasoning. And now, if you got a bigger family, you might want to use 2 cups of rice, use the whole packet, if you got a lot of kids or something. But, unless your kids, only eat chicken nuggets and pizza, then in that case, maybe you just do 1 cup of rice for the adults and everything. Unless you're one of the parents that, makes them eat something they don't like, because it's healthy for them, then maybe you will go ahead and cook 2 cups of rice. But then some of you might have learned that maybe it doesn't always really work, if your kid's real stubborn, so you're probably going to only make 1 cup of rice. Unless you're going to make them eat a little bit of it and know you're going to throw some away, then you might go ahead and make the, 2 cups of rice. You might go ahead and make the 2 cups of rice and, make them eat a little bit, because, eventually their taste buds might change or whatever, but some people will just go ahead and cook a different meal for their kids, and in that case, maybe you are cooking 1 cup of rice. But it's up to you, whatever you want to do. But follow the instructions on the back. 2 cups of rice, using a whole packet. Half a cup of rice, half a packet, and see what we got here. There's a little cup measure in case you've never seen one. What we got here. We got some Mexican. Let me show this to you. Okay. Here, give her a try. Yeah, just give her a try. It's simple, but it don't get any easier than that. Water, rice, taco season. Quick and easy recipe. Cooking 1-5. Right there.